Hello everyone, this is Priyanka here. Welcome to Simply Biology. Today's topic is Gannon's photometer. Gannon's photometer is used for measuring the rate of transpiration. You can see a picture over here. Here you can see a plant or a twig is attached to the end. It is a leafy shoot. It has a reservoir, it has a stopper, and the beaker is used to calculate the rate of transpiration. How much water is collected? It is being used to calculate the rate of transpiration. So let's see. The loss in the weight by transpiration can be observed by this experiment. So what is the experiment? In the potometer method, a freshly cut twig, a freshly cut twig, twig means a small plant, it is being cut the stem from the stem with the wide mouth of Gannon's photometer. Gannon's photometer is attached to the wide mouth of the Gannon's photometer. It has a wide mouth and a beaker side. It is attached to the wide mouth. Then what happens? The twig should be cut obliquely to allow large surface for the water intake. The twig should be cut like this. Obliquely means the stem should be like this. As we have seen, transpiration is the loss of water from the aerial parts of the plant. Like leaves, stem are the aerial parts. It is a loss of water from the aerial parts of the plant in the form of water vapor. This is called transpiration. And Gannon's photometer is used to calculate the rate of transpiration. At what rate the transpiration occurs. As it occurs fast in some plants or it occurs very less amount or less quantity. It is being calculated by Gannon's photometer. As the water is lost from the twig because of transpiration, a suction force is produced. This suction force pulls the water from beaker and the bubbles in the capillary tube move along. Rate of transpiration is easily determined by opening the stopper, which is connected to the water reservoir. The comparison of movement of these bubbles gives the rate of transpiration under different environmental conditions. Here are some precautions to be taken during setting up of a potometer. Be very careful while setting the potometer.